Hello everyone, this is Carlie from Create Mess, and today I am doing a review of these Pastel Dreams watercolors set from Prima. I have had these now for 2 or 3 weeks, I can't quite remember, and I've had a really good play with them. I've already taken some things out of this palette and put in this one here. Isn't part of the palette. This I've got like a little sample in here as well that's not part of the palette, so these two, and I've taken out the 2 yellow colours. I've had a really good play around with these colours, and I really like them. This is a thumbs up review with some caveats. Here is the swatch, and my camera isn't very good, so I'll insert a photo of this right now. And the colours are beautiful, and for the most part, and soft and very pastel-y, and I like them a lot. I think most of the reviews I watched on the Prima, I've got a 5-month-old on my lap. Most of the videos I've watched of these Prima watercolors have been pretty positive reviews, and I have to add my consensus to that. For the money that you're spending on them, they're pretty damn good. Some of the criticisms I've heard about the pastels is that they're really quite soft, and that is true, especially if you use a lot of water. They can be really soft, but I do have some examples of these examples that I'm going to show you. I used a fairly wet here. This one here, and I'll insert a photo. This one here was mostly done with the Pastel Dream set, and I used pretty much like a dry, wet on dry technique rather than wet on wet. And also I have this one in here, this one here, and again I'll insert a photo. Again, mainly a wet on dry technique so that the colors are a bit more vibrant, but they are like beautiful. But the colors themselves are really nice. They go on smoothly, and they're just a pleasure to paint with. Now I do have some criticisms and comments. One of the comments is that they are similar, no, they're exactly the same as some of the Jane Davenport colors. Here's my Jane Davenport set. I have the neutrals and the brights, and I only started writing some of the names down, so let me open this up. So the yellows, the 2 yellows in this set are exactly the same as the 2 yellows you get in the brights and the neutrals. So we've got this one here, which is the bumblebee in the Pastel Dreams. I think it's probably this one here, if I can get it out. It is the buzzy. So they're both B words, like bee, the animal, not the letter B. And the other citrus is mango. So exactly the same colors. For those who don't know, that the Jane Davenport and the Prima are made by the same company in Korea, Mungyo, I think, and you can buy the Mungyo, paints themselves. The blues, they're not the same, but they're similar-ish. So the Pool Party, I think, is similar to this one. It's 70s eyeshadow? I feel like there's a slight difference between them, but they're sort of close. Now with the browns, I couldn't find a match. These two here sort of looked like each other when they're drying, so I tested them out again here. But no, all the browns are different, so that's nice. The biggest complaint I have with this set is that, so that's why the yellows are missing from here, by the way. I took them out because I already got the yellows out. I plan to combine all these into a bigger tin. The biggest complaint I do have with this set is this brown colour. chocolate I think is beautiful. This is the chocolate here. I really like these ones here are Jane Davenport browns. These two are the Pastel Dreams browns. To start off with, I don't think that browns really belong in this palette. I know what they're going for. They're going for like lollies, candies, sort of colors, and so I think that's why they've included the browns, so you can do like chocolate, like so you can do those kind of candy things. But I don't think the browns belong in this set. Let me get back onto the point I'm trying to make, but I keep getting sidetracked. Is this brown color is ugly. Like, it's just not attractive to me at all. I feel like when I'm using this color, I honestly feel like I am just pushing poo around. Like, I have this uncomfortable feeling that I'm just smearing poo all over my page. And so I really don't like it, and I don't think I want to use this brown color in my work unless I am actually drawing poo, and as you can see I need some practice with my poo drawing. The other complaint I maybe have is the two greens. I really like them, and they are slightly different, but I think I would have preferred, like, they both look super similar to me. The Sea Dream just looks like it has a little bit more white in it than the Paradise, this one here. So I would have liked to have a different green. The two yellows are also quite vibrant, but you know, I can pastelize them down, I guess, with some white. But the two yellows sort of feel out of place in this set, and the two browns definitely feel out of place in this set. So that's a big complaint for that. A plus side is, I know in the earlier versions of these things, the paper here that you get to do your swatches is quite glossy, and in this set that I've gotten, they've obviously got the memo and they've included more of a watercolor paper for that. So overall, the Pastel Dreams set by Prima is a really good value for money, even after taking out the two yellows as their duplicates for me, and even after taking out that ugly brown color. It is a really good set that I use often in my painting. The pinks are really handy for me when I'm painting my faces. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe and comment and all that good stuff. Stay tuned. So do subscribe and stay tuned for some more videos coming up soon. Yeah, just thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you next time. Bye.